Hi everyone,
This is Mickey.
and today is all about getting our leg muscles at Power Quad workout. Let's get started.
It is essential to warm up the leg muscles to prevent injuries. Follow me and let's get ready for the challenge. The leg press is great for building strength. Let's give it a try. Lunges primarily target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes muscles in the lower body. Time to feel the burn. Let's get going. Squats are the ultimate leg exercises. We push ourselves to develop immense strength and constantly strive for improvement. Leg curls are ideal for sculpting the hamstrings. We are going to target them with precision. Now is the time to do a proper stretching to stretch the muscles of the legs and relax them.
Incredible shot today. That was a truly monumental leg workout. Follow my magnificent elephants. Goodbye.